welcome back to Let's Cook That. I'm so excited because it's my first video after like a whole year or a year or so, but hopefully I'll be posting more constantly. And today we're going to show you guys how to make menudo. I know I have a video, an old video like 4 years ago, but we're going to make it more easy today and easy to explain, okay? So we're going to get started with those ingredients are the following. And remember, in the description box, you will always find the ingredients with the measurements, okay? So to start off, we have California chili, guajillo chili, chile puya, onion, garlic, whole cumin, bay leaves, the menudo mix, oregano, and then we have some peppercorn. And of course, we have our beef center feet. We have some beef tendons, que son tendones y patitas de res. And then we have our menudo. This menudo was already cut up. They had it at the meat market like that. But if you have the whole one, you would have to cut it up kind of to these sizes. And then, of course, we have our maíz blanco, whichever kind you like. First step, of course, is to wash it. I'm going to wash it with white vinegar just because it helps reduce the strong smell. So I'm going to use like about a cap and give it just like a very good rinse. So now that that's nice and clean and washed, we're going to get our onion and it's going to cut the end and then you're going to peel it. Don't cut this end so your onion won't fall apart, okay? But since we want all that flavor, just go ahead and cut it in the center like a little cross. Just like this, okay? And then we're going to do the same with the garlic. The garlic head, just chop this part off and then clean it a little bit. And we're going to put it in like that. In your pot, you're going to add water, enough to cover it, but I'll leave the, how many cups did I added of water? First, you're going to cook your tendons and the feet, okay? You're not going to cook your panza, your menudo. We're going to add the onion. You're going to add the garlic. Add some of your bay leaves. Mine were cut in little pieces, but usually like 3 bay leaves is good. So I'm going to put all these just because they're all little pieces. And of course, you guys, I forgot the salt. You're going to add salt to it, okay? And we're going to cook this for about an hour and a half before we add the rest. You will be covering your pot, of course, with the lid and cook it on medium to low. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and clean out our chilies. And make sure you just clean them out. Take, you know, the seeds, the little veins and everything. So cut them open, clean them out. If you see a little mold on some of them, don't use those chilies, please. And then after we do this, we will give them a good wash. So it's been an hour and a half that the feet and the tendones are cooking. So I'm going to do the same thing. Add a vinegar. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a good rinse. Now we're going to go ahead and add our menudo into the pot. I'm going to show you. The one that I bought, it's cut up and it's nice and clean. But there was a little piece that had a lot of fat. You can go ahead and remove that before adding it. So we'll set that one aside. Okay, so once you add it, I'm going to go ahead and cover it up again. And we're going to cook this for another like 2.5 to 3 hours, okay? When it's been 2 hours, I'm going to add the maíz. I don't like adding it right now because then it gets too smushy. So I'll wait 2 hours and then we'll add the maíz and the chili. Okay, since our 2 hours are almost up, I'm going to go ahead and do our chili. I already washed them, you guys. Remember that we had cleaned them out. So they're washed. They're completely dry. I'm going to add some onion, garlic, black peppercorn, whole cumin, or it can be the ground cumin, the oregano or the menudo mix. I'm going to add water, maybe about like 2 cups. So I'm using my high power blender, which I don't have to boil my chilies. I don't have to strain my chili with this one, which I love. It's from Vida Sana, but I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and press where it says soup, and it's going to do all the work for me, okay? But if you have a regular blender, blend it for like 3 or 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and look for the onion, you guys. Let's remove that onion. Can't find it though. It was right here right now. Oh, there's a piece of it. Can't find it. The pipe started falling apart because I cooked it too long. But anyways, remove the garlic and remove the onion. And then we're going to add the rest. Oh, here it is. Okay, so now that we removed our garlic and our onion, I rinsed the hominy, or maíz blanco, and you're going to add it to your menudo. You're going to add your chili. Remember, if you need to use a strainer, go ahead and use a strainer. I don't need it because this one blends it really well. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the same juice in the blender to get everything out. Now you're going to just mix. And right here, you're going to taste it for salt. We added about 1 tablespoon earlier. So now I might need to add 1 more tablespoon, but that's to liking. Okay, so we're going to add another tablespoon of salt. And you see all the fat that's on top, you can go ahead and remove that too. So you're going to get a plate and then you can just like skim it off. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and try it. I think it needs a little bit more salt, you guys, but remember, that's to liking. So be adding a little by little. Then after this, you're just going to cook it for another 30 or 40 minutes or until your meat falls off of the bone of your of the feet and everything is nice and tender. So this is all done. Once you see it starts falling apart from the bone and then everything is nice and cooked, it's done. Look how yummy and delicious this looks, you guys. Now it's time to serve. This is all done, served already. Top it off with some onion, cilantro, and of course, some more menudo mix. I love menudo mix. You could top it off with crushed peppers and some lime. You need the lime, you guys. And this is ready to enjoy. And that's it, you guys. Enjoy your bowl of menudo. And this is delicious. Let's try. So good. With some rolled up corn tortillas, flour tortillas, bolillo, whatever you prefer. But this is very delicious, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like it. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and turn on the little bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video, you guys. And Happy New Year! Bye!